My youngest son loves peanut butter fudge. Now he won't eat peanut butter and jelly, but he likes peanut butter fudge. So for Christmas, I'm going to make him some peanut butter fudge. This is so simple of a recipe. It is 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoonfuls of butter, and 3/4 cups of just whole milk. And I'm going to mix that on top of the stove. Turn my heat on. Let the sugar and the butter melt. And then I'm going to boil this on low for 5 minutes. Now I have a candy thermometer, and we're going to see if the 5 minutes works for this once it begins to boil. We want a soft boil stage. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of little bubbles there. Now I have my candy thermometer in here, and I wanted it to get up to the soft boil stage, and it is just almost there. But let me show you. Whenever you make jelly, or if you're making a soft boil stage, watch the sheeting action on your spoon. When you stir it, and you bring it up, it'll make 2 little drips that comes there together, and you know that you're right there on it. Now you can do it that way, or you can take, if you do not have a candy thermometer, you can take a cold little cup of water, pour just a little bit in there, take your fingers, push it together, and if it stays into a nice soft ball, you know it's ready. Now when you look at that, it's not holding together, so it's not ready. Okay, this has slowly boiled, and it has taken about 15 minutes. You have to remember we put in 2/3 cup of milk. Gonna hold that up. Now watch the 2 little drops. That's pretty much soft boil. To make sure, we're going to stir it a little bit and take just a little bit in our spoon, drop it in our cold water again, and let's see what the difference is. That has made a nice little solid ball to where that you can pick it up. It is ready. Going to take it off the heat. Be sure you take it off the heat. You do not want it to continue to boil. And with that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 3/4 cup of peanut butter. Now you can use the peanut butter that is nutty, the crunchy one, or you can just, I'm using the plain. Just as long as you get a good 3/4 cup in there, and we're just going to stir that around until it's all melted and mixed together. Now I'm going to pour it into a buttered 8x8 pan. And as you see, it looks pretty thin, but it sets up pretty fast once it begins to chill. So you can see it's just setting up already because it's, instead of running into that corner, okay, now we're going to let it set at room temperature for about 20 minutes, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator. Okay, our peanut butter fudge is set up. We're going to make some little slices here. Well, I was going to cut that, get it out on my... It's set up well. Take that little end piece off. And then I'm just going to lift that out of there. And we're going to cut that into slices, to some little squares. There we go. Nice little peanut butter fudge. Nothing but peanut butter and sugar.